Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. In order to go to the download mode, you will need to prepare the USB cable because we will need to connect our tablet to a computer. However, not right now, not immediately. First, we need to power off our tablet. So we're gonna press and hold the power button to open the power menu and just shut it down. And just wait a couple of seconds until the tablet is completely off. Afterwards, you will have to use both volume buttons, so you will have to press and hold both volume buttons at the same time. And once you start pressing these two buttons, you need to also connect the cable, the USB cable, and connect your tablet to a computer. So let me try to do that. I'm gonna press and hold both buttons and then immediately connect the cable. And now, as I'm holding both volume buttons, I should be able to access the download mode. There we go. So now we are in the download mode. Now over here, in order to continue, we need to press volume up. In order to restart our tablet and go back into the normal mode, we can press volume down, and we can use the power button to show the barcode. I'm gonna press continue actually. Over here now we have the downloading. And in this case, if you want to go back to the normal mode, if you want to exit the download mode, then you want to press the power button and volume down button for 7 seconds. I'm gonna actually unplug the USB cable now. We don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna press and hold both the power button and volume down button. And just keep holding until the screen turns off. Now once the screen turns off, you can release both buttons and the tablet should reboot into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.